You ready for a spicy margarita? We're actually gonna make a pineapple jalapeno margarita today because it's cocktail hour and I'm ready for a little spice to shake my weekend up. All right, we're gonna start by prepping the glass. And what we wanna do is rim the glass with something sticky and then dip it in a little kosher salt. When I'm making a pineapple margarita though, I don't love to put a ton of salt on the rim. I like just a mild salt, or with the pineapple jalapeno, you can really even go to a salt and sugar mixture. Totally up to you. I have just salt here today, so that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna dip about half of my rim in a little agave syrup, and then I'm gonna dip it in the kosher salt. That's gonna help it stick. And when you're rimming any margarita glass, you wanna make sure you're using kosher salt, not iodized table salt. Looks perfect. All right, we're gonna fill this glass up with some ice and set it to the side and get to making our cocktail. We are making this one spicy, so we need a little bit of jalapeno. With the jalapeno, it can be very spicy or it can be very mild, totally up to you. So with the jalapeno, the least amount of spice is gonna be in the tip, the end part of your jalapeno. That is where there's really no seeds, there's no ribs. So if you don't want a lot of spice and you just want to have kind of that green jalapeno flavor, you want to use those tips of the jalapeno. So we're gonna set that to the side. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper and have a lot of spice, here we go. See that middle white part and the seeds? That's where the heat is held, and that is called capsaicin. The heat in a jalapeno is called capsaicin, and you would release a ton of heat with these jalapeno points. So to build our cocktail is another place where you can choose your level of heat when you're making a spicy cocktail. You can pop the jalapenos down in there and grab a cocktail muddle and muddle those jalapenos down in there. I'm gonna do that today because I'll be feeling that spice. All right, we've got those muddled down in there. It's gonna be spicy. We're gonna add a little bit of ice to our cocktail shaker, and then we're gonna start with about 1.5 ounces of silver tequila. You could also use a reposado tequila here. About 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, or you could use a triple sec. We need about 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. It is a margarita after all. And then we're gonna finish with 2 ounces of really good pineapple juice. Ooh. Finally, we're gonna do a little pinch of kosher salt. Now at this point, if you did not muddle your jalapenos and you just wanted like a medium heat level, you can pop some jalapenos in for the shake. The shake is crucial to a really good pineapple margarita because the shake opens up that pineapple juice and just allows it to be so yummy. See how frothy and delicious it gets? Now at this point, if you're like, I don't really want any heat, but I want those jalapenos in there just for a little kiss, instead of putting them in and muddling them or putting them in for the shake, you could just drop a couple right into your glass and pour the cocktail right over the jalapenos. All right, so there it is. There is our spicy, and this one's gonna be spicy, pineapple jalapeno margarita. You can find the full recipe at momsdinner.net. Cheers.